Everybody, this is a video with the tri-field EMF meter. Also measures radio microwave. So I'm going to show you the measurement of your microwave in your kitchen. And I think you're going to be a little surprised. Some of these microwaves leak radiation, or microwaves I should say. It's a form of radio frequency, which is a form of radiation to your cells. So it's a pretty easy meter to use. I twisted it to microwave. Here's the time. Meter is, totally not registering anything. Now watch this. So imagine that you have the microwave going on. Here you are at your stove. You're cooking, doing stuff, hanging out by the microwave. Let's back up a little bit. Still hanging out.